All right, so we have this DoubleUP roller product review for you guys today. They were kind enough to send us one, and we're gonna give you our thoughts on it and see the kind of practicality that we can figure out with this. So basically this concept of this, you can see it moves back and forth like that. It's a roller, right? So these are free. Let me try to hold this. It's free spinning. So I think one of the main concepts is for like the legs. So we can try the calves with that. I think that's one. And there was multiple others with the quads and stuff too. So you can pick your own resistance with it, right?
Yeah,
so you can
squeeze it a little bit
you
harder.
can really crunch if you're like back from a run or something. You know, like really like crunch your calves or something like that. So yeah, you can get like the front of your shin. They have a guide with like numerous pictures. So you can see different ways to do different things. So you can move out to the side, yep.
Squeeze
so you get the sides of it, and then I'm sure if you rotated it either in or out, then you could get the quad and hamstring if you rotate it even further. Yeah, so you could go like this, get the quad and hammy, or even, let me see, rotating it this way. Yeah, okay, oh yeah, this one's better, having the handles out like that.
Yeah.
That's a nice little smush there, actually. That's good. I actually like that. That feels good.
And there's different.
Oh yeah, there are. So check this out. So with these, I was messing around with this before. If you click this little button on the top, it easily just pops off. And we have a couple different attachments. We have, so that one, just obviously getting different grooves of muscles or whatever. Ooh, some people are gonna, some people are gonna like the pain with that one. People like you.
I might like this one. So.
Put it on both sides.
Is it this one?
Separate it. And it should just attach, right? Yeah, there you go.
I do the thigh.
Oh
yeah.
That's brutal. Yeah, make it fun. Ugh. Yeah, I used to have one of those like regular knobby foam rollers, and it just always crushed me. Some people like the pain.
It feels good.
Yeah, some people like the pain a little bit more. Thoughts so far, Julie? What are you thinking?
I think it's practical, and especially if there's some nooks and crannies you can't get with a foam roller or like a tennis ball, this would be quite handy.
Some people will try to grab like a foam roller and try to like get the inner thigh a little bit.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's kind of tricky to do that.
A little bit awkward.
Whereas opposed to, if you just grab this, you can get that inner thigh. I think that is a really good usage.
I like how the pressure you can adjust it yourself by how hard you're pushing down.
More or less.
Yeah.
So you can pull it into your body. You can kind of get your arm too if you have like a tennis elbow or a golfer's elbow, and that feels good, even though really those need loading. I think this is really easy to use, and it's a super simple design. Like you can just pop these off and put different ones on or whatever. It's not very big, and it moves around quite easily. But ultimately, as a lot of the videos that we show, you still got to load muscle, you still got to load the body, work on mobility in different ways. But for those who really love the soft tissue component of these, I think it'd be super handy and easy to use. So once again, as I say with any product, right, nothing's going to be a miracle fix for, in our situation, low back issues. That's really what we focus on, and just body issues in general. I like foam rolling stuff. I like soft tissue stuff if it's complementary to rehab exercises, strengthening movements, and all that. So if you're combining these two, you're gonna have a solid approach.
I like the interchangeable aspects of it. It's quite accessible.
It's pretty fancy.
It is quite bulky. You can't really put it in your travel case. Yeah, it has to be stationary in one place.
Depending on the size of your bag, obviously, that might be the only hindrance of you moving around. But if you have it at home and if you have a decent sized gym bag, you'd be able to throw it in no problem. Yeah, I mean, as far as health and fitness products go, I think it's well designed. Practical. I think it feels good for those of you who like to foam roll. Just make sure you reinforce it with strengthening exercises too, and you'll have a nice little combo. But DoubleUP roller, overall, I'd say you got a pretty good product on your hands, and it's well made. So yeah.
Yeah, thumbs up.
Cool, good stuff.